Automatic Partition Assembler. The Automatic Partition Assembler sets the standard for material versatility and assembly speed. The ability to assemble solid board, corrugated, and plastic corrugated will allow your organization to assemble all of your partitions with one machine. With assembly speeds up to 54 partitions per minute for a 12-cell solid board partition and up to 46 partitions per minute for 12-cell corrugated. With setup times as low as 25 minutes, you can start to realize that no other partition assembler can match the speed, performance, and versatility that this machine can offer. Optimize your production even further with the addition of Premier's collapsing machine, which evolves the automatic partition assembler into a one-operator machine. If you are looking to increase operational efficiency, look no further, as this is the ultimate workhorse in the industry.